Well, this is what I found in the floor. But I don't know if you can read it or not, you guys, but it's a pretty wild stuff. I go to touch it, just like riddles in my hand, so. But yeah, pretty cool. World War II, it looks like, before that or during it, whatever. But yeah. Oh, see you guys. Oh wait, there's a. See if I can find the date. Nope. Oh my God, this thing is really old. Holy moly. Oh, yeah. Just falls apart in your hand. There you go, guys. There's the date for you. November 23rd, 1942. Wow. Too bad that wasn't in good condition, huh? All right, well, I gotta get back to work. See you guys.